If you want to change lock password in your Thomson Smart LED TV, at the first you have to open the settings. Next you have to go for the system, pick lock and input password. As default is set up on 1, 2, 3 or 4 times 0. You have to try both of them. In my case it's 1, 2, 3 and 4. Sometimes you can also find 1, 1, 1 and 1. It works in the 99% of the devices. It's just set up as a default. So as you can see, when you input this password 1, 2, 3 and 4 or 0, 0, 0 or 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, we are able to change few things. But of course in this video we are focused on the changing password, so we have to scroll to the password, click OK, and right now you can set the new password. So for example, I'm gonna pick a very common 0, 0, 0 and 0, and the same we have to go for the below bar. So press OK. Honestly it's too simple to set as a password, so we can try for example 1, 3, 4, 6, 1, 3, 4, 6, and right now we set it up successfully. I mean, that's interesting because 1, 2, 3 and 4 it's also very common, so that's a little bit strange that we cannot set up 4 times 0. Never mind. So right now when you go back and try to open the lock option one more time, you have to input your new password, and in my case it's 1, 3, 4, 6. As you can see, it's working and we successfully change it. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.